What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the presentation and new features of the future flagship smartphone OnePlus 8T are to be known. The smartphone is going to launch with impressive features and prices. But this time, OnePlus is copying Samsung design. The network resource MySmartPrice has revealed the date of the official premiere of OnePlus 8T, one of the most anticipated smartphones of this year. The device is set to debut on October 14th. Most likely, the presentation will take place online. Apparently, the new flagship of the Chinese company will receive a flat screen and a small hole for the front camera in the upper left corner. Yes, it is known that the new product will receive a 6.55 inches AMOLED display in Full HD Plus format with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. A small hole in the upper left corner of the screen will house a 32 megapixel selfie camera. For the main camera, according to rumors, a 4-component configuration has been chosen. This is a 48 megapixel sensor, a 16 megapixel unit with wide-angle optics, a 5 megapixel macro module, and a 2 megapixel sensor. The rear glass cover will be rounded at the sides. The heart of the smartphone will be the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, working in tandem with 5G modem connectivity. Buyers will be able to choose between versions with 8 and 12 GB of RAM, which will receive a flash drive with the capacity of 128 and 256 GB respectively. Power will be provided by a rechargeable battery with the capacity of 4500 mAh, with support for quick charging warp charge with a capacity of 65 watts. The device will run Android 11 with the Oxygen OS shell. The OnePlus 8T prices has yet to be revealed, but online sources say the amount is at least $750. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.